Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the perfect burger cutlet. First, choose ground beef with an 80/20 lean to fat ratio. This specific balance of fat and lean meat is absolutely crucial for a juicy, flavorful burger. Always look for fresh, bright red meat to ensure the best quality and taste for your cutlets. Next, let's talk seasoning and forming. Season your ground beef generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Remember, less is not more here. When forming your patties, handle the meat gently. Overworking it can lead to a tough burger. Aim for patties about 3/4 of an inch thick. Now for a crucial step, the dimple. Press a small indentation into the center of each patty. This prevents the burger from bulging in the middle as it cooks. Cook your cutlets on a hot surface, like a cast iron skillet or grill, and resist the urge to flip them more than once. Finally, the resting period. Once cooked, let your burger cutlets rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is moist and delicious. Serve your perfectly crafted cutlet on a toasted bun with your favorite toppings and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.